If you have this medical problem of wind incontinence where you fail to control breaking wind, don't worry about it. Each salah, each prayer, when its time is due or upon hearing the adhan, start making wudu, even if you're actually breaking wind during the wudu, and offer the prayer in this condition. Because the Almighty Allah commanded us to keep our duty to Him to the best of our ability. And that is the best you can do. Having urine incontinence, wind incontinence is out of your control. So make wudu after the time has entered or the prayer time is due, and pray even if you are breaking wind constantly during wudu and during the prayer. And with this wudu, you'll be able to pray this current prayer, and if there is sunnah before or sunnah after. Next prayer time, you will be required to make another wudu though. Allah the Almighty says, Inna ma'al usri yusra. With every hardship there is ease. The Almighty Allah says, لا يكلف الله نفسا إلا وسعها. Allah does not impose or ordain anything upon people beyond their capacity.